Okay, today we're going to get a bunch of cruciferous vegetables for my big bowl of salad goodness. Girl, you can get me that. I'm going to look for some zucchini, I think, and maybe some red peppers. And whatever else looks good. How about the beets? Did you get it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we love beets. Did you get beets?
No, I didn't get beets.
I kind of like some beets.
Mango radishes.
Mongo is short for humongo, by the way.
How about those? The beet, oh, you have to get the beet tops too. That we chop those up, I stick them in freezer bags and put them in smoothies, or I saute them with a little garlic. See if I can find some red peppers that adds some color to it. And green. Big bowl of salad goodness, I call, because you have mostly a cruciferous vegetables. These are these hearty things like kale, cauliflower, cabbage. So you can keep it at the ready in your fridge and just scoop it out as you need it. Leave it undressed in the fridge. Oh, that's not how I do it.
Oh.
Come here. Give it to me.
You gotta get your own.
Okay.
Dave's gonna demonstrate. That's not how you do it.
Ooh, thusly. See?
I never knew that.
Yeah.
Took me forever.
Here's a garbage bowl.
What do you do with kale? Well, Kel's gonna show you. I had no idea.
I'm going to start the cabbage.
You forgot to ask me if I wash my hands.
Are your hands impeccably clean? A lot of times I do the dump method and I just buy the cabbage already shredded. You also can get broccoli slaw like that too. We're going to fill this bowl to the tip top because we eat this all week long. Good, you're good. I don't need to scare you.
Oh yeah, this is a genius.
Okay, the zucchini isn't a cruciferous vegetable. It's a little bit softer, but yet it still holds its shape and it's not going to get soggy. Hey, can we talk about the fact that you did that little hijack the camera last week?
The garage is still clean. It hasn't exploded yet. How was your weekend?
I had a great weekend. I was with some wonderful women from the Midwest. We met.
Those Midwest women.
We met in Arizona, and we talked health, wellness, Shaklee. Go ahead, cut it like that, little moony shapes. There's no right or wrong with this. You can use whatever you have on hand. Doesn't matter how you cut it.
Okay, this ingredient is for Pam out there. That one of those awesome Midwest women.
She wasn't at the retreat.
I know, but she is one. A lot of our audience is that.
Oh, that's true.
Celery's good, right?
It's really good to actually helps to lower your blood pressure. So I just did as thin as I can do it. But there again, it doesn't matter. It'll be fine. We could have been like the cooking show and have this all pre-done and just go. Oh. See, this is all just really sturdy vegetables. Sometimes I top it with some fermented vegetables, sauerkraut, kimchi, nuts. Sunflower seeds are great in here. Take a few scoops out and just stir fry it. You have dinner. Boom. Salad, stir fry. Okay, this is going to get a little color. Olive oil, a good quality olive oil, salt and pepper, and some vinegar of your choice. Enough cabbage. I like cabbage. Here's the hot vegetable these days, cauliflower. We like to put that in the food processor and make cauliflower rice, lots of vegetables. See, I didn't use the word veggies. Dave hates the word veggies. He does.
No offense to all you people who use the word veggies.
We're going to make cabbage steaks one of these days.
I think Rachel Ray always used veggies.
Cauliflower steaks.
I love the word steak, but not used with the word cauliflower.
Eat the stems of the broccoli. They taste the same as the crowns. They're not going to hurt you. Yes, look at that. That's fun. So there's so many ways we can dress this salad, but a way that our family really likes to eat it is with a tahini dressing, which is kind of has a Middle Eastern flair to it. And it's so easy. Tahini and water and lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper. When you add the water to the tahini, it kind of seizes up. It loosens up once you put the water in it. Put the juice of a lemon. So I'm gonna be generous with the lemon. I like the twang. Woo! You see, it's thickening up, but don't worry. And a couple cloves of garlic, so you want that rich flavor. Tahini is actually sesame seed paste. Oops, but I like to smash it. It gets out my aggressions. There's so many good health properties in garlic, but they say if you chop it and then you let it sit for like a minute or so, the active ingredient, I believe it's allicin, becomes more beneficial if you just let it sit for a minute after chopping. I'm using just a organic unsalted tahini, but you can get them at almost any store these days, even Trader Joe's. A little good salt, freshly cracked pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/3 of a cup of tahini, 1/3 of a cup of water, and the juice of 1 lemon. Be patient because it's going to loosen up and not be thick. I'll put the tahini salad dressing recipe in the link below. I'll also put a link below to sign up for my emails if you like more healthy recipes. This is that salad that we made. We ate it all week. We still have more left. We stir-fried some of it. This bowl happens to be handmade by our daughter, who is a wonderful ceramicist. And if you want to buy a bowl like this, go to MRA Ceramic. Isn't that fun to eat out of a bowl that's handmade and beautiful like that? Dress it. Top it with fermented vegetables. Sunflower seeds handy here. You could put dried fruit. There you go. That's cruciferous vegetables, really sturdy, but I've got